In 2013, Snapchat rejected a $3 billion buyout offer from Facebook. Even though it was struggling financially, the co-founder Evan Spiegel claimed they believed in their platform and wanted to maintain their independence. Crazy, right? But here's something even crazier. What if we told you Snapchat might disappear in a year? Hold on to your disappearing snaps. Today's video will show why Snapchat, once a social media giant, might be facing its final curtain call. We will dissect the challenges Snapchat faces, from its struggles with monetization to the rise of powerful competitors. However, there's a twist. This video isn't just a doom and gloom prophecy. We will also explore whether a Snapchat comeback is even possible. Can they adapt and innovate their way back to the top? Is there a secret acquisition on the horizon that would save the day? We will also analyze alternative photo and video messaging apps that might take Snapchat's place. Whether you're a die-hard snapper or a curious social media observer, this video has something for you. By the end of this video, you will realize Snapchat's current situation and potential future and have a crystal clear understanding of the ever-evolving landscape of disappearing content apps. So buckle up and let's separate the facts from the disappearing filters. Snapchat stocks have been on a downward trend for some years, hitting their lowest point in 2022 since the company went public in 2017. This lack of profitability raises questions about the app's future in an increasingly competitive social media landscape. Despite once being at the forefront of innovative features like disappearing photos, messaging stories, and AR technology, Snapchat struggles to stay relevant among its younger audience. The shift towards more video-centric platforms and the rise of platforms like TikTok have posed significant challenges for Snapchat, causing investors to lose confidence in the app's ability to adapt. While Snap Incorporated, the parent company of Snapchat, continues experimenting with new features and updates, it faces an uphill battle in maintaining user engagement and attracting advertisers. The decline in stock value reflects broader concerns about Snap Inc.'s long-term viability in a market dominated by giants like Facebook and Instagram. As competition intensifies and user preferences evolve, Snapchat must find a way to distinguish itself and regain momentum to avoid fading into obscurity amidst newer entrants disrupting the social media landscape. The founders created Snapchat based on a simple idea: gamifying social media with disappearing photos. Pictures lasted only a few seconds on the platform, challenging the traditional norms of social media perfection. Users embraced the simple moments in their lives rather than fixating on curating a flawless online persona. This feature led to a unique experience, connecting users with what felt authentic and spontaneous. Thanks to the incorporation of gamification elements into its interface, Snapchat transformed mundane interactions into engaging experiences that encouraged active participation from its users. The concept of fleeting moments resonated well with the younger generation, who craved instant gratification and sought to break away from the permanence of traditional social media platforms. The temporal nature of Snapchat stories and the concept of Snap Streaks have revolutionized how we interact with social media. Offering content that disappears after a day compels users to stay engaged and actively participate in the platform daily. This feature incentivizes continuous use and ensures a constant flow of fresh content, keeping users returning for more. Snap Streaks takes this engagement further by turning communication into a game-like experience. The competitive element of maintaining a streak with friends creates a sense of accomplishment and fosters daily interactions between users. This unique feature taps into our innate desire for friendly competition and reinforces social connections through consistent communication. As of July 2023, Snapchat has close to 400 million active users. While the popular social media platform has been making strides in user engagement and groundbreaking features, Snapchat's financial documents and history tell an entirely different story. Recent plunges in its stock prices have unsettled investors. In October 2021, Snapchat stocks soared to as high as $77 per share, only to witness a sharp decline in the following months. Their stocks now trade at around $10 a share in 2024. Despite facing challenges, Snapchat consistently generated billions in annual revenue for years. The brand's ability to adapt and innovate in a rapidly changing social media landscape has been a major factor in its success. While there may have been a slight dip in revenue recently, Snapchat remains a dominant force in the digital market. However, revenue only tells one side of the story. We can only see the whole picture when we consider the profits. For the financial performance of Snapchat, the numbers don't lie. The company has consistently failed to turn a profit since its inception. Its most significant loss was in 2022, a whopping $1.5 billion. With mounting losses and dwindling investor confidence, Snapchat's future looks uncertain. The inability to monetize its platform through advertisement is a significant hurdle for the company, raising questions about its long-term sustainability in an increasingly competitive market. While many social media giants have found their ways to monetize their platform successfully, Snapchat has struggled to make ends meet. Despite numerous attempts to boost revenue through advertising and partnerships, the company continues to operate at a loss year after year. As competitors like Facebook and Instagram continue to dominate the social media landscape, Snapchat faces an uphill battle convincing investors and users alike that it can weather the storm and emerge as a profitable entity in the long run. Let's shift attention to their product offering for a while. Snapchat is famous for its innovation, attracting old and new users to try new features. With exciting augmented reality filters, interactive lenses, and engaging storytelling formats, Snapchat has successfully kept its audience hooked by continuously evolving its platform. One of the most intriguing aspects of Snapchat's product offering is its ability to create a sense of urgency and FOMO, or fear of missing out, among users through time-limited content. Features like disappearing messages and vanishing stories tap into people's desire for real-time interactions and spontaneous experiences. This unique blend of innovation and psychological appeal sets Snapchat apart from other social media platforms. However, if competitors can easily copy these features, it doesn't pose much benefit to the pioneer. Competitors quickly replicate and implement similar features on their platforms, diluting Snapchat's unique appeal. This constant challenge of being copied by rivals has made it difficult for Snapchat to maintain a competitive edge in the fast-paced social media landscape. While Snapchat continues introducing new features to differentiate itself, the risk of competitors quickly catching up remains a significant threat. In an environment where imitation is rampant, simply being first to market with innovative ideas may not be enough to secure lasting success. Are you enjoying the video so far? Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. We've got more business updates coming your way. Now let's proceed. Another problem Snapchat faces is dwindling user engagement and time spent on the platform. The company alleges that the average user spends around 30 minutes daily on its app, but that's not true. While some may argue that Snapchat's popularity is unrivaled among some demographics, we must consider the broader picture when assessing its reach. Contrary to common belief, recent research reveals Snapchat ranks among the lowest in monthly user engagement compared to other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. This data challenges the assumption that Snapchat is dominant in the digital landscape and raises questions about its long-term sustainability. Snapchat's short-lived nature sets it apart from other social media platforms, but has also created challenges for the company. The feature that made Snapchat unique, disappearing messages and stories, has led to a lack of meaningful content retention. Unlike platforms like Facebook or Instagram, where users can revisit and interact with old posts, Snapchat's fleeting nature means that once users view a post, it's gone forever. This feature makes it difficult for users to create a lasting digital presence, reducing retention time on the platform. Compared to Snapchat's 3-minute average session, Twitter has 4 times that. A short retention translates to a lack of time for ad exposure. In addition, Snapchat's focus on user privacy and anonymity prevents content moderation and reduces advertising revenue. With many users opting for private messaging over public posts, advertisers find it hard to target specific demographics on the platform. The prevalence of fake accounts and anonymous interactions has also raised concerns about the authenticity of content shared by Snapchat. These issues hinder the company's ability to generate sustainable revenue streams compared to its competitors in the social media space. Meanwhile, preferences and behavioral patterns change as people age. This natural progression often leads many older users to drift away from platforms like Snapchat since it's heavily geared toward younger audiences. With time, the allure of disappearing photos and filters may lose its charm for those seeking more meaningful interactions or professional networks. Features like live location and timed messages are ideal for young adults with leisure time. However, these features become less appealing as people get older. As a result, Snapchat's predominant audience is a youthful demographic who are not great spenders due to low earnings. By the time most of them start earning better income, they might have moved on from the app. A decline in older adult engagement poses significant challenges for Snapchat's growth and relevance in social media. It also creates an unprofitable customer cycle for advertisers. While the platform continues to innovate with features like Discover, FunTime Snap, and augmented reality lenses, it may struggle to appeal to a broader age range beyond its core young user base. Without diversifying its audience base, Snapchat risks becoming pigeonholed as a niche app rather than a mainstream social networking platform. One of the most unique problems plaguing Snapchat is its inability to monetize its user base. Unlike other social media platforms, Snapchat has struggled to attract advertisers due to its limited targeting and measurement options. This problem has significantly impacted the company's financial performance, leading to a stagnant revenue growth and increasing losses. It has also led to plummeting stock prices and a loss of over 1,300 jobs. TikTok's recent and rapid rise to prominence among young users has sent shockwaves through the social media landscape. This new app puts Snapchat's reign in jeopardy. 40% of teens and young adults list TikTok as their favorite app. The allure of short video content, viral challenges, and a diverse array of filters on TikTok resonates with Gen Z like never before. Advertisers are moving to TikTok as the business model is favorable and profitable. As the new kid on the block disrupts traditional social media norms, Snapchat struggles to keep up with changing preferences and trends. New apps like TikTok have also made it challenging for Snapchat to get potential buyers. With TikTok and other apps capturing the hearts and minds of younger audiences and older populations, Snapchat faces an existential crisis that spells potential doom for its future survival. The once beloved app risks fading into obscurity as users flock to TikTok for its innovative features and engaging user experience. Snapchat's failure to adapt quickly enough to evolving user demands may ultimately lead to its downfall within the next year if it fails to reinvent itself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. This way, you won't miss out on future business documentaries.